What if your drone could charge itself without you ever plugging it in? Think about it. We rely on drones for everything these days, delivering packages, checking crops, inspecting bridges, even helping in disaster zones. But there's always one big limitation: the battery. Most drones need frequent pit stops, and swapping batteries or plugging them in can be a hassle. So here's the exciting part. A group of researchers from the Hashemite University in Jordan and the University of South Wales in the UK have come up with a clever solution: a conical-shaped wireless charger that doubles as the drone's landing gear. Yep, you heard that right. Instead of flat charging pads that require perfect precision, this cone-shaped design naturally guides the drone into place. No fiddly alignment, no bulky extra parts. The same structure that supports the drone when it lands is also the wireless charger. Two functions, one elegant design. So why is this important? Well, it solves two big problems. First, it makes charging much more efficient and reliable. Second, it sets the stage for true drone autonomy. Imagine fleets of UAVs landing, charging, and taking off again without humans ever touching them. Picture delivery drones topping up their batteries at rooftop pads, or agricultural drones recharging in the field before resuming their work. This is still research, and there's more work ahead, like fine-tuning the electronics and managing heat over long use. But the concept is a step closer to drones that can run almost endlessly on their own. So, let me leave you with this thought. If drones could recharge themselves anywhere, anytime, what new possibilities would we unlock in our daily lives and industries? Thanks for listening to the R&D Lab. Visit engisphere.com to explore the engineering concepts. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to join us the next time as we explore more stories from the frontiers of engineering.